Welcome to English Made Simple. Improve your spoken English by listening and practicing these questions and answers.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English fluently.
How did you learn English so well?
Because I watch a lot of English movies.
What is another method of learning English?
You can learn English by watching spoken English videos on YouTube.
Do you trust on YouTube videos?
Why should not I?
Sometimes the creator does not show exact content in video that is shown in thumbnail.
Yes, it happens sometimes, but all creators are not like that.
Do you believe in ghosts?
No, I don't, but I have a feeling that they believe in me.
How do you make friends?
I don't make friends, I only have enemies.
Where do you learn how to speak English?
I never learned, I was born with this skill.
Have you seen any good YouTube videos lately?
Yeah, I've seen a few. What kind of videos do you like?
I like all sorts of videos, but I especially like comedy sketches, gaming videos, and music videos.
You should not waste your time on such videos.
Are your exams coming?
Yes, my exams are coming and they are starting from next week.
How much time do you give to study?
I study hardly 3 hours in a day.
This is so short time for studying.
Yes, but I don't have time to study more.
Do you love doing household chores?
No, I am terrible at household chores.
What do you mean by this?
I mean, I can't do anything properly.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a designer at Google.
Do you like to study English with me?
Yes, you are a very good teacher.
When do you eat dinner?
I don't eat anything. I only drink water.
That's very interesting. How can you do this?
This is so easy. You just have to fill a glass with water.
Are you expert at cooking?
Yes, I am expert at boiling the water.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are to eat, sleep, and enjoy.
What brings you in today?
I've been having a sore throat.
Have you been around anyone who is sick?
No, I haven't been around anyone who is sick.
Have you made any recent changes to your diet or lifestyle?
No, I haven't made any recent changes.
Do you have any chronic medical conditions?
No, I don't have any chronic medical conditions.
What is your family history of medical conditions?
My father has high blood pressure.
Are you stressed or anxious?
Yes, I've been feeling a little stressed lately.
What's your favorite color? Also give a reason.
Blue is my favorite color because it is the color of sky and oceans.
What's the best way to learn something new?
Practice makes perfect.
How can I deal with a difficult situation?
When the going gets tough, the tough get going.
What do you mean by this?
It means that when things get difficult, strong people are able to persevere and succeed.
How do you deal with failure?
I learn from my mistakes and move on.
How do you build strong relationships?
A friend in need is a friend indeed.
How can I make a difference in the world?
When the going gets tough, the tough get going.
What's the most important thing in life?
Live each day to the fullest.
What do you think about the future of YouTube?
I think the future of YouTube is really bright. There's so much room for growth and innovation.
Do you want to go on vacation?
No, I will stay here and work hard.
Where do you see yourself in next 10 years?
I see myself in a mirror in next 10 years.
How do you spend your free time?
I don't have any free time. I am always busy in work. Please subscribe for more useful videos.